Puppy in the winter.
It's been, well, some dogs are just loving the snow. Are you, Zinnia? Faith does not want to play with you. Well, Zinnia is having a blast out here. She's sliding up and down. She's diving under snow. She's trying to tease Fate. Hey, Zinnia. Come on, Zinnia. Come on, girl. Zinnia. Come on, Zinnia. Hey, girl. Come on. Come. Atta girl. What a happy dog. What do you think? I don't have any treats for you at the moment. Are you having a good time? So what she loves to do is climb up this thing and slide down. Well, she's going to be a great upstate New York dog, I'll tell you that. Of course, we can always pause to eat disgusting things. You can see, kind of a mess here. She loves to do that. Boy, she's loving it out here.
I know she's having such a good time.
We're cleaning off the roof. We're making paths. Digging mountains, cleaning up the car. Good God. So we had another bad storm last night, so we had 2 of them in a row. But we're doing good. We're digging out. We're going to have breakfast and go out and do it again. All right, Zinnia. She's going to have a good time here.